guys, Dawn from Seasonal Designs. Tonight I am digging out a plant, a big plant that I have been wanting to replace for a long time. You don't ever see it in my videos because I don't like it. So tonight I'm digging it out and I'm going to show you what I'm going to replace it with. Okay, I've got it out. I'm going to work up the soil a little bit and then I'm going to place the plants out that I want to put in here. And here it is. I don't think it's going to go anywhere but in my mulch pile, and chances are it might grow there, but it can stay there and grow there. All right, next morning, let's check it out. The morning sun is just kind of climbing over the tree line here. But I do think this is going to look quite a bit better. Really turned out cute. Let's just quickly talk about the 3 varieties of plants that I planted here. The 3 in this little triangle here, this is Heuchera villosa caramel, and it's one of my favorite corabels. It is very heat and humidity tolerant. It is also deer resistant, which is important here because we do have a lot of deer pressure here. And it is going to get about 12 to 18 inches high and 12 to 15 inches apart. It is zone 5 to 10, and it can take anything from full to part sun. This pretty little guy here, where I have a couple of them, it's actually called a blanket flower, and the name of it is Arizona Red Shades. And that is going to bloom pretty much mid-summer through fall. And those will get a bit bigger. They get 12 inches high and they get about 12 to 18 inches wide. But the blooms are continuous. And then when they get to this point here, when all the flower petals are gone, you can cut that off and make room for the new ones that'll be coming. You can see there's a lot of new buds on these. And so those are going to be great, and that's going to add really nice color here end of summer and through fall, which is something I felt like this garden needed. And then the last one that we'll talk about, which I'm sure you're familiar with, is the Russian sage, and that's denim and lace. So that is this one right here, and I have 4 of those in, and I really tried to space them out a little bit and put them kind of in the middle because they are going to get about 28, maybe 30 inches tall. And they do have a good spread on them. They can spread up to 38 inches. And these are not quite as floppy as the old Russian sage, like the one that I have in my berm you may have seen in my videos. This one should stay a little bit more upright. But I think it just turned out really well, and I'm looking forward to seeing how this stuff does.